Today we're fixing some door dings on this 2018 Audi Q5. Hi there, I'm Jack at Sioux Dent Repair. Today we're fixing some door dings on this 2018 Audi Q5. We're actually going to take all these dents out using the paintless dent repair method. So go ahead and take a look at the footage here. We'll show you kind of how we do it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and first start off by gaining access to this damage. So this dent is up here and towards the front here. How we go about gaining access to that is we roll the windows down as we already did, and we install a stainless steel window guard. This is a specialized tool to go between the glass and the outer structure. This allows us to run a tool up against the glass, so the glass is back here. We're gonna run a tool against here, and that way we can push off this surface and not worry about harming the glass at all. Alright, well we went on ahead and finished up the repairs on this. Let's take a look at it.